While everyone is busy discussing which AI will become the dominant force, Microsoft might be quietly leading the way. Let's start with some numbers. Recently, Microsoft reported its financial results for the fourth quarter, and they are remarkable. The company earned $56.2 billion in revenue and made a profit of $20.1 billion, surpassing analysts' expectations and setting new records. Compared to the same quarter last year, this represents a 21% increase in revenue and a 47% increase in profit. To give you an idea of the scale, these figures are close to the GDP of countries like Croatia or Uruguay. One of the main factors behind Microsoft's success is artificial intelligence. They've made substantial investments in developing and implementing advanced AI solutions across their wide range of products. Let's explore some of the ways Microsoft has utilized AI to enhance its business. Microsoft has leveraged AI models like ChatGPT to create tailor-made products and services for different industries and customers. For example, they introduced the Bing chatbot, an interactive tool that allows users to search using natural language queries. This chatbot relies on ChatGPT and other Microsoft AI technologies. Another impressive AI innovation from Microsoft is the AI Copilot. This assistant integrates with software such as Word, Excel, and email, helping users with tasks like document writing, spreadsheet creation, or composing emails. It generates relevant content or data based on user input or context and is also built on ChatGPT and other Microsoft AI technologies. One key advantage Microsoft has over other tech companies is its diverse product portfolio, covering various domains and markets. This allows them to incorporate AI into almost every aspect of their business, from cloud computing to gaming to office software. A prime example of this is their cloud computing platform, Azure. Azure offers a range of AI services and tools for developers and enterprises interested in building or using AI applications. It provides access to pre-built AI models, including ChatGPT, and allows the creation of custom AI models through Azure Machine Learning. Additionally, it supports various AI frameworks and languages like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Python. Microsoft has also integrated AI into other developer tools, such as GitHub and Visual Studio. After acquiring GitHub in 2018, they introduced several AI features, including GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered code completion tool. Similarly, in Visual Studio, they added IntelliCode, an AI-powered code suggestion tool that enhances code quality and productivity. Of course, none of this would be possible without a strong and reliable infrastructure to support the development and deployment of AI solutions. Microsoft has been actively working on expanding its infrastructure to meet the increasing demand for AI. One of the main approaches they have taken is building new data centers worldwide to host its cloud services, like Azure, which are crucial for running AI applications, as they provide the computing power and storage capacity needed to train and operate AI models. Microsoft has invested billions of dollars in constructing new data centers in different regions, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. In the fourth quarter of 2023, the company reported its highest single-quarter capital expenditures since fiscal 2016, with $8.2 billion spent on data centers and other infrastructure. This demonstrates Microsoft's serious commitment to expanding its global presence and making sure its cloud services are accessible to customers everywhere. Another way they have enhanced its infrastructure is by acquiring or partnering with companies that offer essential components or technologies for AI. For example, Microsoft collaborated with NVIDIA, a leading manufacturer of GPUs that are extensively used for training and operating AI models, especially deep learning models that require substantial data and computation. To secure NVIDIA chips for its data centers and products, they have been in fierce competition with other tech giants like Google and Amazon. By expanding its infrastructure through these means, Microsoft has ensured it has the capacity and capability to support the development and deployment of AI solutions on a large scale. Now that we have seen how Microsoft has invested in AI across its product line and infrastructure, let's focus on one of its most important and successful products, Azure. Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform that offers a range of services and solutions for customers who want to use or build cloud-based applications. Azure is also one of the main drivers of Microsoft's revenue growth. as it accounts for a significant part of the $110 billion Microsoft Cloud revenue in fiscal 2023. As mentioned earlier, Azure offers a range of AI services and tools for developers and enterprises who want to build or use AI applications. It also hosts some of the most advanced AI models developed by Microsoft or its partners, such as ChatGPT, and it enables customers to use these models for various purposes, such as natural language processing, computer vision, speech recognition, etc. Azure is more than just a platform for using or creating AI applications. It's also designed for collaborating on AI projects. With Azure, customers can work together on AI solutions using features like Azure DevOps, Azure Data Factory, and Azure Synapse Analytics. These tools help manage, orchestrate, and analyze data and AI workflows in a secure environment. Additionally, Azure provides a platform for innovating with AI. Customers can experiment with cutting-edge AI models and techniques such as quantum machine learning, federated learning, and differential privacy. These advancements offer new possibilities for solving complex problems and enhancing privacy and security. Honestly, it is a very powerful cloud service for AI, offering customers a comprehensive and flexible platform to use, create, learn, collaborate, and innovate. And it's a key factor in Microsoft's success in the AI field, demonstrating their leadership and vision. Certainly, Microsoft is not the only big tech company competing in the AI race. There are other companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, and IBM that are also investing heavily in AI and creating impressive AI-based products and services. It's challenging to directly compare Microsoft with these other AI giants because each company has its own strengths, weaknesses, strategies, and goals in AI. However, we can make some general comparisons based on criteria like revenue, market share, research output, product diversity, and social impact. According to a report by IDC in 2022, Microsoft was the second largest vendor of AI software platforms with a 17% market share, just behind Google's 19%. But Microsoft led in AI applications with a 22% market share, surpassing IBM's 14%. This means Microsoft is strong both in developing and deploying AI solutions across different domains. Forbes reported that in 2023, Microsoft ranked third in terms of brand value at $162 billion, but was the most profitable brand with a net income of $71 billion. This indicates Microsoft's strong reputation and performance in the global market. Stanford University's Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence (RHAI) Initiative's report stated that Microsoft published the second highest number of AI research papers in 2022, totaling 1,719 papers. However, Microsoft's papers received the most citations at 1.4 million, indicating significant influence in the academic community. As per CB Insights, in 2022, Microsoft was the second most active corporate investor in AI startups with 37 deals, but it topped the list as the most active corporate acquirer of AI startups with 12 acquisitions. This just shows their keen interest in expanding its AI portfolio and capabilities. These comparisons demonstrate that Microsoft is a major player in the AI race, if not the leader. Besides competing, the company also collaborates with other AI giants. For example, Microsoft is a founding member of the Frontier Model Forum, an industry body that promotes the safe and responsible development of frontier AI systems. So as you can see, Microsoft is making big moves in the world of AI, showing impressive growth and innovations. They're not only developing cool AI products, but also building the infrastructure to support them. It's clear they're a major player in the AI game, competing with other tech giants, but also finding ways to work together. So if you found this information valuable, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.